Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with the Kroger couponing deals. We're putting a twist on it this week. They're all digital. Now this is not because I was trying to make it easier on everyone by eliminating paper coupons. This is just because there's literally like no paper coupon deals at Kroger this week. So yeah, we're going to make this an all digital week, and if you are a newbie couponer, this is a really great time to jump on board. Now, we're having a 5 times digital event. It means you can use the coupons up to 5 times in a single transaction. You definitely don't want to miss these deals. There's even other deals I've got in the other video, but I don't think they're really that great. But go over there and watch the 5X participating items. If you click the little eye, you'll see that, and it shows you every participating item on this deal. So yeah, let's just dive right in. And I'm not going to do a printable breakdown this week because these are really straightforward. They're not that hard. So I don't really feel the need to type up a breakdown. So I'm sorry if that makes you all upset. It'll be back when there's a bigger sale going on. This is going on for 2 weeks. So first up, we have the Yoplait Yogurts. They're on sale for 60 cents. Go ahead and pick up 10 cups. There's $1 off 10 5X digital. It makes them 50 cents a cup, which for Yoplait is a pretty good deal. I promise. The deals are going to get a little bit better. I just thought I'd throw this one in. So this is probably the deal of the day. The Kroger brand Benadryl is on sale for $2.59. There's a $2 off 5 times digital coupon you can load to your Kroger card. So it's going to make these 59 cents. 59 cents for some Benadryl. That is an epic price. So go for that one for sure. Look at that. The Benadryl 48 is caplets is $8.49. So to get this for 59 cents, that is insanity. And to get these deals, all you gotta do is go in the Kroger app and load the digital coupons. That plain and simple. So here we have the 2 liters of A&W and 7-Up. 3 for $5. There's a $3 off of 3 5 times digital coupons. You're going to get these 3 for $2 or 67 cents a 2 liter. Phenomenal price. The Kraft Mac and Cheese, they're regularly $1.69. They're on sale for $1, and there is a $1 off of 4 5 times digital. So you'll get these for 75 cents a box. This deal is not a 5 times digital, however, it is a good deal. The Ragu Simply Pasta Sauce is $1.67. There's a 75 cents off digital coupon you can load to your Kroger card, so it makes it like 80-something cents, which is a really good price. The Kool-Aid Jammers are $1.99, and there's a $1 off 5 times digital coupon, making them only 99 cents a like container or whatever. A box, not a container, a box. That's a really good price for juice. The Betty Crocker potatoes, as well as the hamburger helpers, they're $1.49 on sale, and there's a 50 cents 5 times digital, so it makes them only 99 cents a box. This is a really good stock-up price. The Kroger peanut butter is $1.49, and there's a 50-cent digital, making them 99 cents. And the same deal is for the oatmeal as well. It's a different digital coupon, but they're $1.49. There's a 50 cents 5 times digital, making it 99 cents, which is really good for peanut butter and oatmeal. Really good prices. This is not a 5 times digital, but the Excedrin is $3.99. There's a $1.50 digital coupon you can load to your Kroger card, as well as there's a $1.50 savings star, which makes them only 99 cents a box. The Palmolive dish soap, it's regularly $2.29. They're on sale for $1.99, and there's a $1 off 5 times digital, making them 99 cents, which for dish soap is a really great price. So I would definitely stock up if you didn't have a lot of it already, which I do, so I skipped this, but good deal. Okay, this is just a regular digital. This is not a 5 times. The Farmer's Pantry cornbread crisps, the jalapeno ones, are $2.99, and there's a $2 off digital, making them 99 cents. The Oscar Mayer P3 packs are $1.99. There's a $1 off, or no, I'm sorry. They're on sale for $1.49, and there's a 50 cents digital, 5X, so it makes them 99 cents. The Kroger brand Kettle chips, they are currently $1.50 regular price, and there's a 50 cent 5 times digital, making them only $1 a bag, which is a great deal. The Simply Lemonade is on sale for $2.49. There's a $1 off 5X coupon, making them only $1.49. Okay, so usually I say 99 cents or less for detergent. However, these bottles are huge. They're 50 load Arm & Hammer. They're $2.99 on sale. There's a $1 off 5X coupon, making it $1.99. Now think about it. A lot of times we all rush to Walgreens and CVS when the Arm & Hammer 25 loads are 99 cents. This is a 50 load bottle for $1.99. So essentially you're getting the same deal. You're just getting twice as much detergent. So I would honestly go for this deal on the detergent. I might wind up doing it. I don't know. It depends. I'll have to check how many we have left. But that's a really good price. I would actually advise you to not do this deal on the Tide unless you're Tide loyal. They're $1.99 after the 5X coupon, but why not get the Arm & Hammer? Because it's so much bigger. These Tides are so small. But if you're a Tide-obsessed person, you could get these for $1.99. The Colgate Mouthwash is $4.99. There's a $1 Kroger 5X digital, which makes them $3.99. You also can pair up with this a $2 off Colgate Mouthwash. It is a digital coupon, so load them both to your Plus card and they both will come off because one is a store coupon, one's a manufacturer. So it's going to make these only $1.99 for the mouthwash. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. I'm sorry this is kind of a blah week. Hopefully next week turns out to be better. I know we just came off that really great mega sale. It's a really good deal. But yeah, we'll just take this week and hopefully you found some deals you can do. So yeah, that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.